Ka naman. Ay, taray!
Ang sarap.
Which is your recommendation?
Massage or foot massage, back, neck, shoulder massage.
Okay. This is the oil. Love, try mo. Bango. So, if you're looking for wellness massage, fully booked daw lagi ito. Pero nagkataon na, buti na lang, may walk-in tayo. Ano eh?
Yes.
Taray! Ang tsubebang ka naman, lo. Atake ka naman. Ay, taray! Tsubebang!
Laki ni John.
Taray, ang tsubeba ka, ate. Up, up, up. Tingin mo na dito. Oh, candidate number 1 is Charlene Rivera. Yes. Bagay lang. Tsubeba ka.
Ang sarap. Sarap.
Sarap lang. Okay, we're done. Rate your experience, lab.
10 out of 10.
Wow, 10 out of 10. Sarap. Para akong bagong baby. Bagong panganak. Perfect. I saw line. Hindi kami paid ko nito ha, pero they have a good service. I love the head massage. Ang lambot ng hair ko. Love, kamusta? Sarap na. Hindi kami paid dito, pero ang galing nila. Ipopromote ko sila. I saw ang sarap ng head massage nila.